A security force apprehended an active cadre of band outfit RPF-PLA and seized huge cache of arms and ammunition from various areas. According to a police report, the apprehended active cadre of RPF-PLA has been identified as Takhelambam Inau, aged 39, alias Joy Singh, alias Ningthiba, from Changangai Uchekon in Imphal West District on July 12. The security force also seized 1 mm pistol along with a magazine with 7 loaded ammunition, 2 mobile phones along with 1,700 rupees from his possession. Meanwhile, Manipur police also arrested 2 suspicious men along with arms and ammunition from Sangaipuro yesterday. The arrested individuals have been identified as Yambem Gulsan, 27 years of age, and Pilem Jenan, 32 years of age, and seized 1.45 pistol with 2 magazines, 19 live round ammunition, and 1 9mm pistol along with 1 magazine with 13 loaded ammunitions. In another search operation conducted at Haingang Hill Range in Imphal East District, security force seized 1 AK-56 rifle with an empty magazine, 1 SLR along with a magazine, 1 local-made SLR with magazine, 1.38 pistol with an empty magazine, 1 9mm pistol with an empty magazine, 1.32 pistol with an empty magazine, 1 9mm pistol with magazine, 2 HE-36 hand grenade, 20 live round ammunitions, 54 empty cases of 7.62 mm and 1 rice bag. Additionally, during a search operation conducted at the areas of Khuyatong Polim Laikai and Nagamapal on July 12, Manipur police seized 1 7.62 mm AR Ghatak Excalibur rifle without magazine, 1 MA3 MK2 rifle along with 14 loaded ammunitions, 1 4-wheeler vehicle and a 2-wheeler vehicle. Cases have been registered at concerned police stations for further investigation.